My name is Helen Fairman. I own a property in Cambridge that I lived in for over 20 years, but I now rent out. I actually work in clean energy and the climate sector and have done that for 20 years. While I lived in the property, I steadily fixed it up over the years. And then I did more of a big renovation before renting it out. The building itself is over 100 years old. At the same time that I put in the heat pump for heating and air conditioning, my hot water heater needed to be replaced. It had outlived its warranty, and rather than waiting for it to leak, I thought I would go ahead and replace it because it was time. I chose a heat pump water heater, which is extremely efficient and works nicely with the rest of the system. At the time that I installed the heat pump water heater, Mass Save had a rebate that was $750, which is considerable. And so that made the project more affordable as well. There are benefits to the heat pump water heater, both to me as a rental property owner and to my tenants. It's very low maintenance because you're not burning any fossil fuels. There's no buildup. So the only thing you have to do is rinse off the air filter, which is easily accessible and probably only needs to be done maybe once a year. So it's super low maintenance, very easy, and I can manage it remotely. With water heaters, if you don't get them hot enough, you have a risk of contamination. So one of the real advantages to this Wi-Fi enabled heat pump water heater is that I can set it so that it gets extra hot overnight once a week, kills off any bacteria that may be in there, and then I can run it at a normal temperature the rest of the time. So that gives me peace of mind, that gives my tenants peace of mind, and it means that I can manage this remotely from wherever I am. The reason I wanted a heat pump water heater was to stop burning fossil fuels to heat up the water in my home. It was just another great way to get all of those environmental and health benefits, as well as the ability to manage it remotely.